Picture this, a comfortable shaded patio where you can read, sip cocktails, or simply relax by the pool. Patio covers make your outdoor experience more enjoyable by providing a cool and protected space. They not only shield you from the elements, but also offer a canvas for design possibilities like floral arrangements and lights. Now let's explore the 9 reasons why you should consider getting patio covers installed. Patio covers provide the perfect shade for your outdoor space. The design and materials of the cover determine the amount of shade, with solid patio roofing offering the most coverage. In addition to shade, a well-insulated roof reduces heat, ensuring a comfortable space even in the hottest weather. A patio roof protects you from unexpected rain, allowing you to enjoy fresh air on less than ideal days. Transform a plain concrete slab into an additional year-round outdoor space with a patio cover, providing comfort in all seasons. If you love entertaining, a covered patio offers more space for guests and extends your entertainment area. Create a cozy retreat for yourself with a covered patio, perfect for unwinding with a good book or some music. Your patio becomes a family gathering spot, an extension of the kitchen, and a great place for various activities, including homework. While a patio cover provides shade, you can enhance privacy with a few strategic additions to enjoy your space more comfortably. A high-quality patio cover adds value to your home and may attract more potential buyers, potentially reducing the time it takes to sell. Now that we've covered the reasons, let's move on to the key considerations when installing patio covers. Unlike awnings, a patio roof is a structural measure that may require a building permit depending on your municipality. Check the regulations before making a purchase. Consider the minimum distance requirements between your patio and your neighbors to avoid unexpected surprises and expenses. Choose the right material for your patio cover. Wood, aluminum, and glass are popular options, each with its unique characteristics. Consider factors like maintenance and aesthetics. Decide whether you prefer an opaque or transparent cover. Various materials like bricks, glass, and plastic are suitable, and you can even explore integrated options like lights, solar power, plants, or fabrics. Select a roof shape that suits your needs and complements your home's design. Pent roofs are popular for their simplicity, while gable roofs offer a more traditional look. There you have it, the 9 reasons why patio covers are a must-have for your outdoor space, along with key considerations for installation. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement content, and let us know in the comments your thoughts or questions. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy patio planning!